Hey guys, how's it going? This is Cole Klein, public adjuster with Hope Public Adjusters. We're in Indianapolis today looking at a commercial roof for a hotel. There's quite a bit of stuff going on here on this roof. They do have a lot of issues, some pre-existing issues. A claim's been filed on this for storm damages. Insurance company sent out an engineer. This was prior to our involvement. Engineer stated that I'll give you guys a turnaround. Engineer stated that the building did not sustain damage from wind, that these missing shingles, creased, torn, they were caused by installation error, that they were improperly fastened or fastened at angles, and that's what caused the shingles to crease and tear. A little odd. So basically we've pulled 2 shingles. We're going to be sending these off. Make sure you guys get a gander of this. We're going to be sending these off to ITEL, a company, to determine what shingle this actually is. Then we're going to be getting with the manufacturer to determine if these were improperly installed. You can see all of the fastener holes on these. So we'll get something in writing from them, submit that over to the insurance company, and coverage position letter from our firm, and go from there. Give us a call or check us out online, hopepublicadjusters.com, 833-31-CLAIM.